Emerson Mnangagwa's Zanu PF is determined to secure victory in the Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election, but observers warn the ruling party is banking heavily on voter apathy, on vote buying, and patronage rather than genuine support. The ruling party ZANU-PF is eyeing victory in Masvingo by-election amid growing fear of electoral manipulation. Subscribe or like out on the bell. The by-election scheduled for September 13, following the passing of Councillor Tafara Masimba, has drawn criticism over the credibility of the electoral process and widespread concerns of manipulation. Critics argue that ZANU-PF's focus appears to be on exploiting public fatigue and using unfair tactics to maintain control. However, ZANU-PF Masvingo provincial spokesperson Pepokai Chiwewe on Monday said, "I am pleased to confirm that Comrade Simbarasha Shoniwa is our duly elected candidate to represent us at the upcoming Masvingo Urban Constituency Ward 7 by-elections. The primary elections were conducted in a free and fair, transparent manner, allowing eligible voters to exercise their rights. Notably, all four participating candidates accepted the results, showcasing a commendable spirit of maturity and party discipline. In our internal electoral process, our united goal is to reclaim Ward 7 for ZANU-PF, ably led by His Excellency President Emerson D. Mnangagwa, while Chiwewe expressed confidence in the party's preparedness. Critics remain unconvinced, pointing to a pattern of electoral malpractice. The ruling party's reliance on vote buying and patronage continues to cast doubt on the fairness of the upcoming by-election. As the contest approaches, concerns linger over whether voters will be able to freely exercise their choice, or if ZANU-PF's controversial tactics will dominate once again. Mashoko aripo panguva ine tinogona ZANU-PF panguva ino vanhu vakutotya kutonoparticipate in the electoral processes just because iri kuzikanwa kuti iri kuita electoral meddling. Aiwa maresults panguva ino ari kubikwa zvakanyanyisa. Tudze mafungiro enyu matikudivi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.